So what's going on here, in my opinion? Okay. So we have an inverse for value gap right here. London session, New York session swept Asian session highs. We have all these lows right here stacked. We have these other lows back down here, which you can't really see, but they're all the way down here where I took my last take profit. As you can see, we are going up in the morning. We have this little sweep right here in the morning. So I'm thinking, well, maybe you think we sweep right here. We have an SMT. I'm like, well, maybe shorts, but market didn't show anything, which I'm happy didn't, because that would have been a worse trade. Okay, we're going higher. We're going higher. We have this 15-minute for value gap right here. Okay, we hit this 15-minute. What do we do when we hit this 15-minute? I actually didn't even realize this. We still had an SMT. We had like a 5-minute, we had like a 15-minute SMT right here with these highs. Ba-da-ba-ba-boom. But funny enough, I'm happy I entered on NQ. Actually went down further, which is actually funny because NQ wasn't originally what I was hitting. It was originally going to be ES because ES was lower, but I would assume NQ would lag behind rather than SMT. So I'm glad I held this for those extra points. Okay, so what do we got going on here? This is high, higher, higher. We have right here, we have higher high, lower high. We have lower time frame, literally so low time frame. 30-second SMT wasn't obviously based off of a 30-second SMT, but we have a 30-second SMT. And then we have this fair value gap, plus we have this hourly inverse fair value gap. And we're wicking. It means we want to go lower. First, we have the spike move down to this fair value gap we completely respect, so we can't go yet. And then I watch it, close. Here's the change in the state. Here's what I was waiting for this entire time. Was a good candle close. It was 2 candles, so it was within my thing. Obviously, my entry was not that great. My entry was supposed to be right here, but I waited for the candle closure to be safe. So I waited for the candle closure, put my stop at the high. Technically, my stop was right here. Okay, but after that, we hit that because this could have held. It could have held, and we could have gone higher. But I was betting that it wasn't because we were already super bearish. Okay, then we're tank down all the way to break even. That's why I took it on NQ instead of ES, because for starters, ES, what do they have right here? Still no change in the state. Change in the state would have came way too late. Plus NQ is quicker price action as well. We would have gotten stopped out at break even if we took the trade on ES. If we took the trade on ES, it would have been mid trade at best. I mean, look at this. It would have been like we would have had to wait till here. We would have had to put the stop at the high. We would have caught like it would have just been a break even trade. That's the difference. As you see here, we spiked back up. I was pretty confident though that we'd continue a little bit lower. We did. As you see, we're kind of going up here. I'm happy I sold that last con. So yeah, great trade. Bunch of terrible trades. Great trade. My best trade of the year.